Hi guys, Kai Bracher here, and I just got my new dragon door handle fresh from the 3D printer. This is actually the first of my dragon door handles that has wings, but still is pretty easy to grab.
As usual, the door handle fits on the standard 8x8mm spindle that is used in most European doors.
And of course, it's available at my Shapeways shop, links to which you'll find on my website, kaibracher.com. Hey, if you're interested in what I'm doing, please connect with me on Facebook, Google+, or subscribe to my YouTube channel, or even to my monthly newsletter at kaibracher.com. And see you next time.